The seal of the D.C. Superior Court, D.C. Superior Court jury duty during the pandemic. The Honorable Anita Josie Herring.
Hello, I'm Anita Josie Herring, Chief Judge of the D.C. Superior Court. Thank you for participating in jury duty. The coronavirus pandemic has certainly changed the way the courts work, but jury service remains a fundamental pillar of our justice system. This video will let you know what to expect as juries return to the courts in person.
A summons.
When you're selected for jury duty, you'll receive a summons in the mail. If your email address is on file with the court, you may also receive an email. Paper summons and emails from the court will include links for the e-juror system and the juror homepage on the DC Court's website. This is the fastest and most reliable way to communicate with the courts. First, fill out the jury qualification form within 5 days of receiving it. You can fill it out online, return it by e-fax, or return it by mail in the postage-paid summons packet. If you feel that you cannot serve, please contact us before your report date to discuss. Contact information will be listed at the end of this video.
Call,
Next,
email,
fill out
e-fax,
your remote
live
check-in
chat,
questionnaire.
e-juror.
This will determine if you have the technology and ability to check in virtually. If you do, you may receive login instructions for your report date. You'll also answer a few health and wellness questions.
First responder,
Checking in
immunocompromised.
virtually will minimize the amount of time you need to spend at the courthouse.
A woman using a smartphone.
Call in after 5 p.m. the day before your report date to see if you're required to report. You can also sign up for email and text notifications on our website. Your report date for jury duty has arrived.
Exterior D.C. Courthouse.
Log in online at the appropriate time if you were provided directions for remote check-in.
WebEx login instructions.
Everyone who comes to the courthouse needs to fill out a health questionnaire. You can fill it out online. The results can be sent directly to your phone and will help save you time when you come to court. We strongly encourage you to fill out the form online, but if you can't, hard copies will be available at the courthouse.
A clipboard.
Leave plenty of time to go through security and check in. Then proceed to the juror's lounge. The lounge has been reconfigured for proper social distancing. For most people, the voir dire process will take 2 days. You'll be told when and where to report. Voir dire is an opportunity for the lawyers and the judge in a case to ask you questions and determine if you should serve on the jury. You'll go into a courtroom one by one to be questioned. If you're seated on a jury, some people will sit in the jury box and others will sit in the gallery to hear the case.
Social distancing signs on seats.
You will use an empty courtroom for jury deliberations.
Jury deliberation room, occupancy 12.
Please bring only what you'll need to be comfortable for the day.
Photo ID, medications, other
If
items.
this involves a meal or snacks, please bring them. Takeout options in the area are limited.
A daycare room being cleaned.
The court's on-site daycare will be open. It's a licensed facility and is using CDC-recommended COVID-19 protocols. A link to more information about childcare is provided at the end of this video.
COVID-19 safety in the courthouse.
Face coverings are mandatory in the courthouse. People are allowed into the security screening area one at a time. Security staff will look at the results of your health questionnaire and take your temperature with a touchless infrared system.
A face scanner.
Normal temperature.
Our safety and cleaning procedures follow CDC recommendations and were created in collaboration with healthcare professionals and experts.
Occupancy signage.
Markers and signage in the courthouse will help you maintain a safe distance from others. Hand sanitizer is widely available, and high-touch areas are wiped down multiple times a day. Once you've entered the building, please report to the proper room. Plexiglass barriers have been installed to divide the judge, lawyers, litigants, and the court staff.
The Honorable Anita Josie Herring.
We've put many procedures in place to ensure your health and safety as you perform your civic duty. You are a crucial part of the justice system. Thank you again for your service as jurors in the District of Columbia Courts. Additional information about jury duty and our COVID-19 health and safety precautions is available on the court's website.
www.dccourts.gov/jury and other URLs.